Hello guys, so today is another vlog and today's vlog we have the new Sony 6700. Yeah, so this is a demo unit so we can try and test this camera. We'll try for vlogging and I know and everybody knows it's already with the AI, so auto framing. Yeah, but we're gonna do that. Not we are not doing that test or auto framing because we did already from Sony ZVE1 or Sony ZV-1 E1, sorry. But today we're gonna try to shoot this as a vlogging camera. So it's a typical just hold with the camera with the microphone. Of course, shout out for the Holy Land Lux Max that we are using now. Yeah, the microphone. It's a very nice microphone. Okay, let's unbox this new Sony 6700. So let's go. Hello guys, so today, yeah, we have the Sony 6700 and this is the typical box of the Sony 6700, which is the red and orange black. But the size is similar with the Sony CV-E1. So, yeah, let's try to unbox and check the camera. Actually, we will try this in to vlog, to use this for a vlog. Yeah. And again, this is a AI already or auto framing camera. So, but we're not gonna do the auto framing, but instead we'll do the um, vlogging on this camera. So, without further ado, guys, let's start. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now, guys. First, we have the manuals. Yeah, you have tons of manuals here. Just enjoy reading the manuals. First, we have the Sony Alpha strap, A strap. Next, we have the, I believe this is the eyepiece. Yeah, you have eyepiece, the camera. Next, we have the Sony NPF DAS said 100 or ZNP DAS FZ 100 for the battery. And again, the camera, our camera, the Sony 6700. So that's what inside the box of this 6700. Again, the camera also already have switch button for photo and video, slow motion, SNQ. Okay, you have uh, um, control, customize tools, customize one. Okay, it's already there. Fully articulated screen, of course. Yan. And touch screen, I believe. So, yeah, let's try to use this camera for vlogging. Hello guys, so yeah, we adjust already the audio. So again, this is the video quality of the new Sony 6700 with our microphone here, which is Holy Land Lark Max. So ayan. So again, whoa, I like the video guys. The video quality is wow. I can notice on the screen itself. So this is our Holy Land Lark Max and the Sony 6700. Yan. So the focusing is also fast and there is pataba on my back. Yan. So let's check in low light. I like the color. Really like the color. The color, the quality of the camera, it's amazing. I love it. Yan. So RGB at the back. Yeah. Oh. I think I'm gonna like the Sony 6700. I like the color. Mhm. See? So again, guys, this is a quick test of the camera Sony 6700. So again, if you are thinking to have a new camera or if you want to upgrade your camera from 6400, 6600 series, CB1, CBE10, yeah, check this camera, Sony 6700. And I like the color of the camera. The hand grip, yeah, I like also the hand gripping. Of course, it's already with the AI function on it, similar with the mm, Sony CV-E1. Yeah, ZV-E1, ba? So I think that's it for today, guys. Again, check this camera, Sony 6700. And that's it for today, guys. So we tried already and test the camera. I love the camera. The focusing is very fast. Quality, wow, amazing quality. The hand grip, I like the hand grip. They make it more bigger compared for the previous model, of course. And yeah, I think for the price of how much is one? Yeah, around 519 Kuwaiti dinar. Or if you want to check the price and availability of the product, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. So all the Sony product, it's already available from camera to lenses, name it. Microphone, we have offer from the microphone. Check to our Instagram account, AAB World. Yan. So I think that's it for today. Again, check the camera, Sony 6700 camera. So yeah, the specs is already there's a lot of specs out there regarding the camera. So this is only a final test or test and unboxing on this camera. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Again, flex time, Palaboy nandun, Palaboy-Laboy, si Brian nandun, si Julius Nadeop at ang ating cameraman na si videohan natin. Kasi dito lagi nag-aano eh. Ayan oh. Yan, si Sir Henry ang ating cameraman for today. At ang kanyang R50. Yan. Camera niya yan, guys. Yan. Nagbabalak din siyang bumili daw nito ng 6,700. So, sa misis ni Harvey, pag nakita mong meron siyang bagong camera Sony, alam niya na po. Yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.